Hey guys, if you saw my last video, you'll know that I recently launched the Tower of Portals, my first ever Kickstarter. Honestly, I can't tell you how hard I worked to make sure every little detail was right, taking care that everything prints on FDM without supports, that every part fits perfectly, and that it all works on just about any ordinary printer. I went through dozens of test prints, tweaking tolerances, running on 4 different machines with a mix of filaments, and all this to make sure that the model was as perfect as possible for its big Kickstarter debut. What a shame then that I managed to undo all that effort with 2 simple cock-ups. The first was an innocent typo. I set the Kickstarter goal at £5,000 instead of 500, and somehow never managed to notice this until it went live. The second was pure ignorance. I saw what I'd done, shrugged my shoulders and thought, oh well, it's just a target, I'll be happy with 10% of £5,000. Of course, I was wrong. I didn't realise, and perhaps you don't either, that Kickstarter is all or nothing. What this means is if the goal isn't reached, then nobody gets anything. Yep, I was a complete and utter prize a**hole. Now, it's still early days, and maybe it could reach that £5,000 goal, but it's far more important to me that the people who've actually backed me so far actually get what they've pledged for. So I did the only sensible thing I could think of. I killed the campaign. And everybody got a refund. Now that might seem strange, but here's the good bit. I've already relaunched it. It's exactly the same model, the same gothic details, the same easy printing and the same attention to details. But learning from my stupidities, I've set a new realistic goal of £400. And yes, that's deliberately lower than the original 500 I planned. And I've also shortened the campaign to just 20 days instead of the original 30. This way, if even half of the original backers can forgive my admin mistakes and jump back in, we'll smash the goal and everyone will get the model they wanted faster than was originally intended. So to everyone who initially placed their trust in me, I'm sorry, I cocked up. It was my first Kickstarter and I rushed it. But I've done my best to fix it, and I'd love for you to back the relaunch with the same enthusiasm you gave the first one. And this time, I guarantee I've triple checked everything, even the zeros. There's a link in the description that will take you straight there. And for everyone else, even if this project isn't your kind of thing, it would still mean a lot to me if you could pop over to the Kickstarter page, hit follow, maybe leave a quick comment or share it with someone who you think may enjoy it. Every bit of engagement helps feed the almighty Kickstarter algorithm, so that alone can make a real difference. So whether you're backing, browsing or just here for the chaos, thanks for watching guys, and most especially, thanks for your support in this.